Y'all see this shit here? Y'all see that shit in Texas? Nigga, that's the sky. You see how that bitch is like it just folded over? Look at this shit.
Hey, it's so close, it look like you could just...
I swear, fool, that show look like that. Look like you could have just... That shit, that look fucked up, y'all. Y'all see this shit? This is in the sky. That don't look like a water wave, nigga. That shit that crazy.
It's so funny, E.T. come up about that motherfucker.
But that'll be fucked up.
Oh, I'm gonna get the shoot. Alright, bro.
That nigga say, the motherfuckers, they coming. Say, man, I just wanted y'all to see that because y'all hadn't seen no shit like this here, man. I swear. Them clouds is pushing each other, nigga.
And it's dry.
It's dry as hell.
No wind blowing, no nothing. But that be moving fast.
Bro, that shit look crazy as hell. I swear that bitch look like something finna fall out that motherfucker. Look how that bitch that put a hose, like, that bitch put a line in the cloud. That shit there is fucking wicked. It look like God finna drop out the sky.
Let me call my man. Hey man, you need to come out the door looking for the sky.
Man, that shit crazy.